Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for the perfect mascara to add definition and volume to your lashes, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara, a vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free mascara that promises long-lasting volume without the heavy feel. And trust me, it's not just another mascara. It's one that's claimed to give you a sculpted, stand-out lash look with every swipe. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an honest, no-nonsense review on all the latest beauty products. Let's jump in. So what's all the hype about the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara? This mascara is all about delivering sculpted volume without the weight. Its creamy black formula is designed to help you achieve anything from dramatic lashes to a more defined, fanned-out look. It promises to hold all day long, and that's something I was particularly curious to see in action. When it comes to the ingredients, this mascara stands out. Not only is it vegan and cruelty-free, but it's also free from parabens, fragrance, preservatives, and microplastic particles, a great option for anyone mindful of what's going on to their lashes. Plus, it's made in Italy, which always feels like a mark of quality in the beauty world. Now let's talk about the experience. I've tested this mascara multiple times, and I can say that it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine. The formula glides smoothly onto the lashes, and the wand design helps in coating each lash evenly. No clumping or flaking, even after building up the layers. And let me tell you, this mascara really does hold up for an entire day. No smudging or fading by the end of my workday. In terms of the real-world performance, I gave it a shot both in the morning for my everyday routine and in the evening when I needed my lashes to last through a late dinner. The results? Impressive. The formula really allows you to customize the volume. You can go for something more natural by applying one coat, or really build it up for intense volume without it feeling heavy. And even with multiple coats, it stays soft, so no crunchy lashes here. That's a big win for me. Now let's look at the pros. The easy application, the long-lasting formula, and the definition it gives without weighing down your lashes. Plus, the fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free makes it feel even better to use. There's no smudging, no flaking, and it's great for sensitive eyes, something I always appreciate. But no product is without its cons. The only downside I found is that the wand might not be ideal for those who prefer a more precise application for smaller lashes or those in the inner corners of the eyes. If you have delicate or shorter lashes, you might find it harder to get into those tricky areas without getting a bit of product on your skin. But with a steady hand, that can be easily managed. When it comes to value for money, I think this mascara offers great bang for your buck. It's affordable, especially when compared to high-end mascaras, and the fact that it performs as well as it does means it's definitely worth the price tag. There are definitely some alternatives out there if you're looking for something similar. If you're not sold on this one, something like the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara might offer a comparable result in terms of volume, but at a slightly higher price point. There are also other drugstore mascaras that come close in performance, like L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. Though, for the price, Essence Lash Princess might just have the edge in terms of staying power and definition. So, what about the build quality? The packaging is sleek and functional, with no fuss. It's a lightweight tube that makes application a breeze, and it seems like it will last long enough without drying out quickly. The formula itself doesn't get clumpy in the tube either, which is always a plus. And with no parabens or artificial fragrances, you can feel confident about the ingredients you're applying around your sensitive eyes. Midway through the review, if this review is helping you decide whether or not to give this mascara a try, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any honest reviews like this. Your support helps us keep delivering the truth on beauty products, and if you're ready to pick this one up, check out the link in the comments below. As for customer service, I've had positive experiences with Essence in the past. The brand is known for being responsive and transparent with customers. I haven't had to reach out for issues with this mascara, but Essence's reputation for handling inquiries speaks volumes about their commitment to customer satisfaction. And finally, let's wrap up with my final verdict. The Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara is definitely one of the best drugstore mascaras I've used in terms of volume and staying power. It delivers on its promise of sculpted, fanned-out lashes with a long-lasting formula that won't flake or smudge throughout the day. It's also incredibly affordable, especially considering the results you get. If you're someone who's looking for a mascara that builds up easily, stays put, and doesn't weigh your lashes down, then I can confidently recommend this product. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.